Kristen Hamilton, number 2, senior running back.
Daniel Clark, number 5, senior, wide receiver and DB.
Jamie Billups, number 6, junior, played fullback and linebacker.
Quentin Bradley, number 7. I'm a junior and I play fullback and linebacker.
Trayvon Ware, number 9, a junior and cornerback.
Cole Copeland, number 10, sophomore quarterback. Tanner Cox, number 12, senior receiver.
Ezra Whaley, 17, junior, safety.
Tyler Carpenter, 18, junior, receiver and safety.
Ethan Anderson, I'm number 20. I'm a sophomore, and I play wide receiver and corner.
Brian Adams, number 21, senior, receiver and DB.
Ty Beavers, number 22, sophomore, receiver.
Zach Peak, 25, junior, corner, receiver.
Malik Temple, 26, senior, corner, receiver.
Logan Swafford, 29, sophomore, tailback and corner.
Colby Alford, number 30, junior, middle linebacker.
DJ Moyes, 31, senior, running back.
Aziz Scotty, 33, senior, linebacker.
Kanan Bennett, 37, junior, strong side linebacker.
Hunter Diggin, 38, sophomore, linebacker.
Jake Tollison, 42, sophomore, middle linebacker.
Kason Still, number 48, sophomore and safety.
My name's Dakota Calfee. I'm number 50. I'm a junior, and I play center and defensive end.
Logan McCamus, 53, senior, O-line.
Dakota Burgess, number 58. I'm a senior and defensive tackle.
Colton Scott, senior, 60, defensive end, guard.
My name is Eddie Shawchick. My number is 61. I play defensive lineman, and my class is a sophomore.
Brennan Morgan, number 64, senior, offensive line.
Tyler Millsap, junior, 65, defensive end, offensive line.
Caleb Hedrick, 67, sophomore, defensive tackle.
Josh Blair, sophomore, 72, left offensive tackle.
Caleb Swafford, 73, junior, center, linebacker, and D tackle.
DJ Adams, 75, junior, defensive tackle, nose and normal tackle, and center guard tackle on offense.
Will Robbins, number 76, senior, D tackle.
Connor Swafford, 77, junior, D tackle, and offensive guard.
Tyler Keller, number 78, senior, offensive line.
Jacob Williams, 79, senior, offensive line.
Seth Higgs, number 87, sophomore, defensive end.
Trevor Elliott, number 89, sophomore, defensive tackle.
I'm Christopher Keller, number 90, sophomore, defensive tackle and offensive lineman.
Omer Dunsel, number 91, sophomore. I play wide receiver and cornerback.
Antonio Sandoval, 92, sophomore, defensive tackle.
Dakota Richmond, 97, sophomore, defensive line.
Brett Brown, number 98, junior, defensive end.
Logan Snyder, 99, senior, kicker.